Greetings and welcome back. This is the Q&A section of section 16. It's the law per ohm, Mr. Ohm. Which term describes the rate of which the electrical energy is used? Power. Electrical power is measured in which of the following units? Watts. What is the formula to calculate electrical power in DC circuits? Now don't forget your magic circle. P over E times I. So power equals voltage multiplied by the current. How much power is used in a circuit when the applied voltage is 13.8 volts DC and the current is 10 amps? 138 watts. Right? You take the voltage, multiply it by the current. How much power is being used in a circuit when the applied voltage is 12 volts and the current is 2.5 amps? Voltage times current, 12 times 2.5 gives us 30 watts. How many amperes are flowing in a circuit when the applied voltage is 12 volts and the load is 120 watts? So P over E equals I gives us 10 amps. So 12 divided by 120 divided by 12 gives us 10 amps. What is the formula to use to calculate voltage in a circuit? This is that E over I times R magic circle. Voltage equals the current multiplied by the resistance. What is the voltage across the 2 ohm resistor if the current is 0.5 amps? So E is equal to I times R. 2 times 0.5 gives us 1 volt. What is the voltage across a 10 ohm resistor if the current is 1 amp? So E is equal to I times R. 10 times 1 gives us 10 volts. What is the voltage across the 10 ohm resistor if the current is 2 amps? So we're looking for the voltage. E is equal to E times I. 10 times 2 gives us 20 volts. What is the formula used to calculate the current in the circuit? Current is equal to voltage divided by the resistance, E over R. So what is the current through a 24 ohm resistor connected across the 240 volts? So E over R equals I. So 240 divided by 24 gives us 10 amps. What is the current flow through the 100 ohm resistor connected across 200 volts? So that's 200 over 100 gives us 2 amps. What is the current flow in the circuit with the applied voltage of 120 volts and a resistance of 80 ohms? So volts over resistance gives us current. 120 divided by 80 gives us 1.5 amps. What is the formula used to calculate resistance in a circuit? Resistance equals the voltage divided by the current. What is the resistance of a circuit which current is 3 amps through a resistor connected to 90 volts? So R is equal to 90 over 3 gives us 30 ohms. What is the resistance of a circuit which the applied voltage is 12 volts and the current is 1.5 amps? 12 volts over 1.5 amps gives us 8 ohms. What is the resistance of the circuit that draws 4 amps from a 12 volt source? 12 over 4 gives us 3. And that is the end of the Q&A section for It's the Law per Mr. Ohms.